story. However, what you really want to do is when you can put in that central line, then I can identify when I want to enter this market, when the market is down here in a pullback down at the lower trend line. I don't want to enter the market when it's in the upper half of the channel. The other thing is that we also note that the market accelerates very fast from the lower side of the channel, but it tends to slow down as it goes through the top of the channel. It tends to accelerate up fast, and it tends to, there it's quite fast, but usually it slows down as it goes into the upper half of the channel. So I really want to enter the market in the lower half, and that also reduces my risk a lot because that lower trend line is in fact, of course, my stop loss. So I really want to enter the market below it. So I wanted some, what would you have? I mean, I'm looking at a linear trend here. So I can do this with trend lines. I can apply 3 trend lines and that works. What do you do when you have a channel though that is curving up exponentially? And I can't use trend lines. So I wanted to create a central trend line that would replace that center trend line. And that's not a supportive one. This chart, now I'll just flick between the two. You can see there's both the same chart. What I've got on this chart is the whole moving average acting as a central trend line. And then I've got a simple moving average for the lower line. Now, if this was an exponential trend and I wanted to do this, I would use an exponential moving average, not a simple moving average. So I've identified there's the hold zone, there's the buy zone, there's the hold zone, there's the buy zone, there's the hold zone. So you can see what I've done there by creating the whole moving average as that central trend line identifies that buy zone. So that was its original intended purpose of why I created it.